What if I told you that one meal could determine whether you spend the rest of your day burning fat or constantly fighting cravings? Most people think skipping breakfast helps with weight loss, but here's the truth. The wrong breakfast can leave you hungry within an hour, while the right one keeps you satisfied, energized, and less likely to overeat later in the day. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss that are packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, not empty calories. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last breakfast is one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective options for losing weight. Let's begin. 1. Greek yogurt berry bowl. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods for weight loss because it's naturally high in protein. Add fresh blueberries, strawberries, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a handful of nuts. This combination slows digestion, keeps blood sugar stable, and helps you stay full for hours. It's creamy, refreshing, and takes less than 3 minutes to prepare. 2. Avocado toast with eggs. Forget sugary cereals. Instead, grab whole grain bread, mashed avocado, and a boiled or poached egg. Healthy fats from avocado and protein from eggs create the perfect combination for long-lasting energy. You'll feel satisfied, not sluggish. 3. Overnight oats. Busy mornings? Prepare your breakfast before you sleep. Mix rolled oats with milk, chia seeds, cinnamon, and berries. By morning, you'll have a delicious breakfast rich in fiber that helps control hunger naturally. It's one of the easiest meal prep breakfasts you can make. 4. Vegetable omelette. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein. Add spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and peppers. The vegetables add volume without adding many calories, making this breakfast both filling and nutritious. It's perfect for anyone trying to lose fat while maintaining muscle. 5. Green protein smoothie. If you're always rushing in the morning, blend together spinach, frozen banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. You'll get protein, fiber, healthy fats, and plenty of vitamins in one delicious drink. It's quick, refreshing, and surprisingly filling. 6. Cottage cheese and fruit. Cottage cheese is often overlooked, but it's one of the highest protein breakfast foods available. Top it with pineapple, peaches, kiwi, or berries. You get natural sweetness without loading up on added sugar. This breakfast keeps you full while supporting muscle recovery and weight loss. 7. Peanut butter, banana toast. The key here is moderation. Spread a thin layer of natural peanut butter on whole grain toast and add sliced bananas. The healthy fats and fiber help reduce cravings while providing steady energy throughout the morning. Simple, affordable, delicious. 8. Breakfast wrap. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and grilled chicken or turkey. This portable breakfast is high in protein and perfect for busy mornings. It tastes better than fast food, and your body will thank you. 9. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds absorb liquid overnight, creating a creamy pudding loaded with fiber and omega-3 fats. Top it with raspberries or blueberries for extra antioxidants. This breakfast helps control appetite naturally while satisfying your sweet tooth. 10. Protein oat pancakes. Yes, you can still eat pancakes while losing weight. Blend oats, eggs, banana, cinnamon, and a scoop of protein powder. Cook until golden and top with fresh berries instead of syrup. You get all the comfort of pancakes without the sugar crash. Here's something most people don't realize. Weight loss isn't about eating less. It's about eating smarter. When your breakfast is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, you're naturally less hungry throughout the day. That means fewer cravings, better energy, and a much easier time staying in a calorie deficit. Remember, no single breakfast will magically make you lose weight overnight, but consistently choosing nutritious meals can make a real difference over time. So, which of these breakfasts are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly health and nutrition videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.